Hello, my name is Addison Durhack, and I'm a current MBA candidate at Dalhousie University. I have also recently just completed my undergrad degree in finance at St. Francis Xavier University. To tell you a little bit more about myself, I'm a snowboarder, runner, and avid coffee drinker. Over the past few years, I've also gotten the opportunity to compete as a dual sport athlete in both cross country and track and field. Due to my experience working in teams, I absolutely love working in a team environment and love getting the opportunity to build as many new relationships as possible. I envision myself working in a dynamic environment and one that consistently challenges me. I approach every new opportunity with positivity and from a forward-thinking perspective. I look forward to getting the opportunity to meet you, and I hope that we are a good fit.
Hi, my name is Jenna Silverberg, and I'm a current MBA candidate at Dalhousie University. I have a background in sciences, specifically kinesiology and psychology, but I eagerly switched my focus to the business world when I discovered my passion for leading, inspiring, and collaborating through my positions as Varsity Council President and the Student Athlete Mental Health Initiative President during my undergrad. I understand the importance of both setting and managing priorities. I have a sense of urgency without rushing, and I am efficient but thorough. I'm excited to excel in a dynamic, fast-paced, client-focused finance role, and I can't wait to meet you.
My name is Chase Blessing. I'm an MBA candidate at Dalhousie University. I graduated from the University of Guelph majoring in finance. Rather than talk about myself, I'm going to show you guys who I really am. I was a part of the DECA UG chapter for 4 years, making my way up to executive member. This is where I taught newcomers on how to approach cases for case competitions. Some skills that I perfected were my leadership, time management, and my organizational skills. With this in mind, my hobbies include lifting weights, where my friends and I encourage each other to push ourselves more and more each day.
My name is Katrina Sokolowski, and I have a Bachelor of Science from the University of Waterloo. More recently, I worked for Health Canada as a public servant to serve our First Nation communities in Atlantic Canada and get them the healthcare resources that they need. This work reinforced my passion for client care and creating positive change. I hope to find an organization that aligns well with these values in the future. As someone who can appreciate the importance of leadership, communication, and teamwork, I hope to utilize these skills in my next employment. Outside of work, I love the outdoors and can't wait for a new adventure. Will my next one be with you?
Hi, my name is Chong Yang. You can call me Annie. I'm from China. I'm bilingual, good at English and Chinese. And I'm currently an MBA student at Dalhousie University. I hold 2 bachelor degrees. One is in BCA in marketing and graduated from University of North Alabama in America. And the other one is Tianjin Foreign Study University, major in business English in China. And also I have been working as a international student assistant and in the University of North Alabama to help with the international recruitment, student recruitment, and also to market international students for the university. And also I'm good at the computer skills such as Microsoft skills and also basic knowledge about the Adobe Premiere, Adobe Photoshop. So if you are looking for people really good at computer skills and really have passion, want to work in business and in marketing, you found one. So are we both fit?